Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you love unboxings like I do, you're in for a treat. We have BoxyCharm coming up soon. So if you haven't seen the BoxyCharm one, go ahead and check it out. This is the 28 and change dollar box, 5 full-size products for, almost 30 bucks. And you get to customize one option. But today, we're going to do Ipsy. Or right now, we're going to do Ipsy. So this is the month of March. This is the Glam bag. $13. You get 5 products. They're like travel size, fun size, mini size. Ooh, power moves, baby. Power moves. Look at this. Yes. Anything in the bag? No. So this is our Ipsy. Love their pink packaging. I'm loving this bag with the handle. The blue is very cute, like a powdery blue, and a neon green. So you get the Ipsy tassel. If you are not familiar with Ipsy and you want to go check them out, I'll leave a referral link in the comment section. So let's check our card. Power moves, yes. Let's get it. Who runs the world? You do. All right. You call all the shots with the add-ons. Okay, so we do have products with prices. I love it. Okay, so we got a Pure Brazilian Daily Anti-Frizz Serum. This was my pick because I never tried it out. So this is a deluxe sample. It says it right there. So full size would be $30. Let's see what this bad boy looks like. Where are you? Ooh, I love the packaging. It's more of a teal, but I think it's coming across blue. Let me know in the comments, guys. All right, so it's sealed. Awesome. So Pure Brazilian anti-frizz serum. And you know, summer is coming up, so we need to anti-frizz. All right, this is almost 30 ml. I want to smell it. Check out them. Oh, it isn't. It isn't. Oh, there's the seal. So let's give it a whiff. Ooh, it does smell like coconutty, like, it smells like the beach. All right. So then we have Polar, the Genuine Lapland Face Cream. So this is also a deluxe sample, and full size would also be $30. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. This is just a face cream. So I'm not going to open this. This is, how many? 20 mLs. All right. We're going to leave it just like that because I'm not going to open it. I have a lot of face creams. I don't know about you guys. So let's see. Kinship Super Melt Vegan Lip Jelly Mask. Love that. Deluxe sample. Full size would be $18. So let's see. That's not it. It's the other little tiny thing. Oh my god. Nope. I lied. There's a bunch of tiny things. So it's this. Okay. Okay. I love the packaging though. Look, even though it's small, it comes in this nice package. So it's clean, cruelty-free, dermalogic tested. Lip, hooray! Let's just see what it looks like. Okay. And it's super cute. I love the blue. Yes, I'm sure it's probably not sealed. All right, so next, I already seen it. Winky Luxe. This is a Peeper Perfect. Look at the little eye. Oh my god. Okay, so Winky Luxe, Peeper Perfect, under eye concealer in medium, deluxe sample. Full size is 14. Winky Luxe has great products. They're super pricey. Hold on. I'm gonna have to switch hands here. Ooh, this one is really tight, guys. There we go. I still got it. Okay, let's see what color. Ooh, yeah, medium. Let's do this. Check out the skills. Check out the skills. Get it on nice and tight. Okay, so this is the color. I mean, my finger is not the best viewing option, but I can tell you that I can feel it, but it also has like a nice little shine to it. Okay. Do you see the shine? A little shine? Okay. All right, last item is M2U NYC Luminizer in Fertility. That's a nice word. And it's full size, $8. Let's check it. This is full size, huh? Oh, it is a luminizer. All right, I'm not going to open this, guys, because I'll just probably put this in a giveaway. But let me know what you guys think. This is a liquid highlighter. I forgot to mention. So you got to go easy on those liquid highlighters. So we got Under Eye Concealer by Winky Locks. Wink, wink. And then we got an eye cream. We got a lip jelly for those dry lips. All right. And then we got some hair serum, keeping the frizz away. This is pretty good. Pretty good. If you think about the value, where else are you going to get 5 products to try out for $13? All right. Which one of these items or more would you have chosen or would have liked to try out? And don't forget the bag. Power moves. All right, guys. Stay safe.